Let's talk about what the BJP has been doing. When it comes to the battle for Bengal, that is now heating up, and it is being said that the top leadership of the BJP will be heading to the Election Commission of India. This is a BJP delegation that comprises of top ministers like Piyush Goyal, Kiran Rijiju, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, the BJP National General Secretary Arun Singh. We are looking at other leaders as well who are part of this BJP-led delegation will be meeting the officials of the Election Commission of India. Well, this delegation that is expected to meet shortly, what we are getting to know as far as when it comes to the meeting that would be taking place, because as far as West Bengal is concerned, there have been several contentious issues that have now come in from the very state itself, especially on part of its leadership, and how it is going to be a direct face-off between the TMC and the BJP this time. So remains to be seen what really comes out of this meeting. And this battle for Bengal that is now being said, that is set to intensify, with top leaders of the BJP are expected to meet the officials of the Election Commission of India. So what is it all about, Mohit? If you can give us the details. We also have Ridhita joining us here on the broadcast.
Well, the BJP delegation as of now has started arriving at Election Commission of India, and we know that how the top leadership of the BJP, including senior leaders like Kiran Rijiju, Piyush Goyal, Sukanta Majumdar, Arun Singh, Arun Baluli, they all will be reaching and meeting the ECI over there. And what that discussion would be about, that is not clear as of now, but what we are being told that it's about Bengal election. We know for a fact that how Home Minister Amit Shah released a charge sheet against TMC government and Mamata Banerjee, and said that Mamata Banerjee always plays the victim card, and to which Mamata Banerjee has also replied, saying that if BJP comes to power, then the dietary habits of people in Bengal would be affected. BJP will not let them eat eggs, fish, or the other non-veg items. Now we see that Battle of Bengal is heating up. We also saw violence in Murshidabad during the Ram Navami processions, where we saw that how the BJP attacked TMC, saying that just because of the appeasement politics by the Trinamool Congress, such incidents are on rise, and this time around BJP will come to power, and people of Bengal will reply to the TMC. While Mamata Banerjee has blamed it on the BJP, saying that BJP is instigating the communal fire in the state of West Bengal. So this will be a very, very important meeting. BJP leaders have started arriving at the Election Commission of India's office. We have to wait and watch what exactly is the presentation about, and what exactly would be the part of the memorandum that will be submitted.
So keep us updated on the same, Ridhita, because as far as the BJP charge sheet is concerned, this seems to be another round of face-off that seems to be escalating, because multiple times, as far as the Election Commission of India is also concerned, that is something that has been questioned and attacked on multiple accounts by the TMC.
Well, absolutely. We have seen with the transfers happening in the state of West Bengal from the state stages, from various campaign stages, the political leaderships here has raised this issue. The chairperson of the Trinamool Congress party, Mamata Banerjee, has raised this issue, and also earlier on the date of 20th this month, we had seen that Kalyan Banerjee filing a PIL in the High Court. However, after yesterday's transfer of 267 officers in both the BDO level and the OC level, we have seen that today morning a fresh PIL again has been filed in the Kolkata High Court, and Kalyan Banerjee has drawn an attention of the Justice Bench, where he has said that an urgent supervision into this matter, an urgent hearing needs to be happening on this matter, and hence this meeting has been granted by the Justice Bench, and they have been said that likely this hearing will be happening today. However, there has been no update about the last PIL that Kalyan Banerjee had filed after the overnight transfer of various administrative officers here in the state. Also, the CS has been changed, due to which we have heard Abhishek Banerjee.
All of those issues have been taken up vehemently as far as by Mamata Banerjee and the TMC is concerned, and now that the Model Code of Conduct is in place, well, it seems that this is going to be a direct meeting that shortly seems to be happening with the BJP delegation that is being led by top union ministers who will be meeting the officials of the poll body. Mohit and Ridhita, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Let's now talk about when it comes to Naxal